For this section of the video, I will be telling you the mistake that I made with cleaning silk flowers. See, I didn't know how to clean them, so I made a big mistake. I grabbed a whole lot of them, went to the bathtub, turned the water on, put them under, and watched all the color come off the flowers. That was a big mistake. Don't do that. The flowers was clean, mind you, but they was destroyed. You can't get the silk flowers wet. What you have to use on your silk arrangements is a silk plant cleaner. You get it at the hobby stores. You might be able to even use a can of air if you can't get your hand on one of these. What you do is you shake it up for a minute. I did that off screen. Shake it up a little bit more. And then the short sprays. Come on now. I cleaned these already before, so they're not that bad. You might want to have something down around that area so it, when the spray goes, it don't get on anything on your floors or anything you want it to get on. Thank you.